how to change swipe left in mail on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to mail. Here in mail, in message list, okay, you can see here the swipe option. So you can tap this, and now you can see here the swipe left. And the swipe left is set into plug. So you can change this by tap the swipe left, and you can see the option. So okay, you can set or change into none, or you can set or change into mark as read if the swipe right is not this option selected. So okay guys, another one is the plug and the move message. So I decide to set the swipe left into move message. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed swipe left in mail on iPhone X.